If your gift comes in a nice box, you may add just a pleated paper. Paper size for the first option, width is twice the width of the box, and the height is the box height with 3 times of the thickness on both top and bottom. Turn over the paper, fold the right end a little to make a clean edge. Then start making add the number of pleats from right to left randomly like this. The add number and the direction of the pleats is important for any celebration as a traditional Japanese wrapping method. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fold the right edge inward for cover the label on the box. Cut the extra paper on the right edge. Make creases firmly and tape the pleats from the back. Place the pleated paper in the center of the lid and fold inwards at the top and the bottom. This is empty, but of course you'll have a nice gift in the box. Cover with a special lid with pleated paper. Let's tie it with a very thin ribbon. Make one loop and the tail. Release the right end while holding the point. Take the long end ribbon and wrap it around the box like this. At the center front, turn the long end ribbon to the left, then to the back. Cross them in the front center and pull out the short end to the top right. Make a loop on the left end, then tuck the right ribbon over the loop and pull it out. Trim the both tails at the end. For the second option, the width of the paper is same as the width of the box, and the length is enough to cover the box vertically. Turn over the paper, fold the right end a little to make a clean edge. This time, make 3 pleats in parallel like this. Make an odd number of pleats from right to left for happy celebration. Like this, 1, 2, 3. Fold the opposite edge inwards a little wider and parallel like this. Secure the pleats with a tape from the back. Place it in the center of the box and make the bottom slightly longer. Make sure the bottom is always on top. When closing vertically, it's the same rule for happy occasions. Let's finish with a rope. Make one loop and a long tail like doubled. Fold the point and release the right end rope. Wrap the long end rope to the left and wrap it around the box. Cross them in the center, then pull out the short right end to the upper right corner. Tie it firmly, make a loop with the lower rope. Then with the upper part of the rope, go over the top of the loop, push into the fall, pull it out to the left. Adjust the bow and cut the left tail to the same length as the right. Make a knot with the right tail, then cut off the tip of the tail, leaving about 1 inch. Do the same for the left tail and make it the same length. Loosen both tips. Third option, length covers the entire box and adds width. The height is less than half of the box height. At the top point 1 inch from the edge, start folding diagonally inward like this. Then fold the body fold in parallel, 1 inch apart to the crease. Fold along the line of the top half and the crease edge. Make the another fold in the same way. Then there are 3 odd number pleats with from right to left direction. It's for the happy occasion. Fold this part to the back at the bottom edge. Secure it with tape from the back. After cutting the excess paper on the left side, Place the right side on top and close it double-sided tape at the center. Right side on top is also for happy occasions as the Japanese traditional wrapping way. Let's add a different colored secondary paper. It's about 2/3 tall, just enough to wrap around the box. Fold slightly the top and bottom edges on the back. Put it on the pleated paper. Place the right edge in the center of the box. Cut off the extra part on the left side and close it double-sided tape with the right side on top. Let's tie with strings. Make one loop on the tail and wrap it around the box. But this time, it's only to measure the length of the string. Cut the string at the same length from the cross point. Cut 3 strings to the same length. It's not necessary to make it exactly. Put the 3 strings together, flatten them in the center, and apply tape. Place it in the center of the back of the box. Keep it flat and make a bow in the same way as the previous option. Adjust the bow and trim both ends to the same length. Even if you don't wrap the whole box, it looks nice just to add the pleated paper, right?